My cousin Cayden with us behind the camera. Today what we are using, it's kind of a hot day, so the fish are at the bottom. I'm using a 4-ounce spinner, hoping to get some good bass, show the pond. Alright, later we're going to use some worms, but right now we're going to use some worms.
Welcome to Cody Cayden Great Outdoors Adventures. I just caught this 3-pound bass, best one yet. Welcome to the Cayden and Cody Outdoor Adventures. Alright, let's get a picture. One. How you feel? How's he fighting? On. Bring him in. And hook him.
Just a pumpkin. Now we're gonna release. Let go of me, baby. That's just a little guy.
That's where you wanted it, right over there.
Yep.
I still got right in that little pool. Got myself, I got my fish. You recording, Coach?
Yeah.
As you can see that little pool over there, if you can see,
Yep.
I just tossed it in, not even a second. He was in my hook, my lure. It was just a second. He just stroked it. It was just in the little pool for 1 second, and boom, he hit it. He might be a little guy, but that's something.
Should I stop recording bass?
Here's my bass.
Kiss him.
All right, now we're gonna let him go.
Okay, you almost just knocked my camera right out of bass. It's about a pound. We're gonna get a good release. So come on.
You're gonna kiss, dude. Give him a kiss, dude.
I am. All right, give him a nice close up. Beautiful bass. That's what you. A bass on.
This time I have him.
Yay!
Another small guy.
Not a beauty.
Still. Bass is bass.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's got him. Oh my god.
That's the problem. There's his lure right there.
He's the hard way, huh?
We're fishing here and
I just caught a turtle on a fishing pole, and oh my god.
come here, buddy.
Come here.
Get it out of him.
I'm trying.
Do you want me
He
to get
just
it out?
Keeps going in. No. Here, hold this.
Watch out, those claws don't
I
get
know.
you.
He's gonna freaking rip me in half. Come here, buddy.
Lucky it ain't a snapper.
I know you don't want to be touched.
Should have gone for it, you idiot.
Wow, you freaking got me with this claw.